Oh my goodness, I have so many burrs all over me. Hello my loves, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I'm Jasmine and this is Simple Happy Fulfilled, where I post yoga videos every Monday and Wednesday. Today I'll be guiding us through a quick and easy body reset. So this is perfect if you've been sitting at the desk all day and just need to give your body a little bit of a break, or maybe you're waking up and you're a little bit tight from last night. Wherever you're at today, this practice is perfect for just opening up, grounding, coming back to the breath, and being able to help give you some yummy energy to carry with you throughout the rest of your day. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and meet at the top of our mat in mountain pose. Coming to standing at the front of our mat, feet hip-width distance apart with the palms nice and open, bringing the gaze towards the sky, grounding into all four corners of the feet, feeling the strength of your upper body, shoulders, and neck being supported by your legs and lower back. Taking a deep breath in, inhale, bringing the arms up overhead, and exhale, hands to heart. One more time, inhale, and exhale, hands to heart. Bringing one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Taking a quick moment here to give thanks to our body for being here and carrying us throughout life. And also giving thanks to yourself for tending to your body with this practice today. Starting to bounce on the left and then the right. Getting a little bit of movement in the legs. Movement in the hips, movement in the hands. Starting to shake around a little bit. Get that energy flowing, baby. Bada bada bum. I'm so excited to be here and have the tools to be able to share this kind of content with you guys. So I hope that you enjoy it, and if you do tune in for this whole practice, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know how the experience was for you. Knowing that is so important to me and really helps me be able to help you better. Alright, whenever we're ready, coming to stillness. Feeling the waves of energy from that little shake pulsing through us. Feeling it in the hands, the arms, the thighs. On our next inhale, bringing the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, forward fold. Bringing a nice generous bend to the knees, hands to the mat. Bringing the gaze to the thighs. Inhale, halfway lift, bringing the hands to the calves or the thighs. Wherever you're at today. Bringing the gaze towards the mat, making sure there's absolutely no tension in the neck. Slight bend in the elbows. And exhale, fold. Big bend in the knee. We're not wanting to lock or straighten just yet. We're just waking up the body. Whether you've already been awake for a little while or not, if you're feeling a little tight, do not push yourself. We're not here to prove anything. Planting the hands, bringing the left toes back for a low lunge, bringing the knee down towards the mat, untucking the toes, bringing the hands to the right knee, checking in with the torso. It's very easy to collapse here. Bring it back. Navel to spine, keep the integrity in the core. If you need, bring the hand to the belly, check in, because it can be really easy for this, and this can actually cause some lower back pain. And we don't want that. We're here to help the lower back pain, right? Bringing the hands back to the knees, feeling the shoulders open, gaze straight ahead, foot under knee. And if you're wanting to test out a little bit of balance here, bringing the hands to the side with the palms open, maybe bringing the hands up towards the sky. And if you want to test it even more, bring the hands back towards the side body, palms open, opening the shoulders with a mild, gentle back bend here, bringing the gaze towards the sky. Maybe closing the eyes. Inhale, bringing hands to prayer. For a slight twist, we'll be bringing the left elbow to the outer edge of the right knee, bringing the gaze over the right shoulder. Maybe extending the arms here. Maybe doing a little twist. Maybe not. Bringing the hands back to neutral, planting them on the ground, tucking the left toes, lifting that knee, And then gently guiding that right leg back to meet the left, coming into plank. Building a tiny, tiny little bit of heat in the core here, and exhale, downward facing dog. Pedaling those feet out, waking up the legs, bringing the gaze towards the thighs, really making sure that we're never causing any tension with the neck. And when you're ready, coming to stillness, giving a nice generous bend in the knee. Hello? In the knee? Oh, language sometimes, you know? On your next inhale, slightly straightening those legs, bringing the left leg up towards the sky. And inhale, bring it through towards the hand for low lunge on this side. Untucking those toes, coming down onto the knee, bringing the hands onto the left knee. Taking a second to just bounce around, feeling that really yummy stretch in the inner right thigh. Woo! My God, I can tell I went for a run the other day. Hello. Bringing the hands back to the knee. Checking in with hello. Checking in with the torso. Bringing it back, navel to spine. Bringing the gaze ahead of us. Foot under knee. Maybe bringing the hands to the sides or just keeping them on the knee here if this feels nice and stable for you. If you want to test out some balance, bringing the hands to the side, palms open, gently opening the shoulders. Slight back bend here as the gaze follows upward. And for some extra balance, go ahead and close the eyes. See how you do there. It's funny how much the world changes when you close your eyes. Honestly. It's a really good way to test your balance. Inhale, coming back to neutral, hands to prayer. Planting the hands, untucking the right toes, lifting the knee up off the mat, and guiding that left leg to be by the right. Exhale, downward facing dog, pedaling out those feet once more. Exhale through the mouth. Whatever stagnant energy is in the body right now, we are getting rid of it, folks. All right, whenever you're ready, walking those hands to meet the feet. Coming into a nice fold with a nice bend in the knees. And breathe. One more deep breath together here. Starting to walk the hands up the front body. Slowly starting to straighten the legs. Coming to a flat back. And exhale, fold. Walking the hands out in front of us, coming back into down dog. Pedaling out the feet once more. And when you're ready, coming to stillness. On the next breath in, inhale, bringing that right leg up to the sky, gently bending the knee. Exhale, bring it down. And bringing it to the left side. Go ahead and rise on that next inhale, bending that left knee. Exhale, bringing it back down, crisscrossing the feet as we come to the front of our mat, hugging the thighs, letting the head drop, and bringing the hands back towards the mat, slowly straightening the legs as we come up to standing, coming into a wide-legged position here. Bounce around a little bit, move those hips, mama. We are going to have a good day today. The sun is shining and I hope it is with you. I can't rhyme that well, but I'm here to help you open up that beautiful body. Hey yo, all right. Oh, teaching on camera is really funny, you know. Let's start to pedal out those feet. Get it moving, get it grooving. Maybe hop all over the mat. What you doing? Hey yo. You might be like, what is this chick actually doing? Well, my friends, movement like this really gets any kind of stagnant energy moving. And that is the goal here. So this is just a little bit of playtime. Maybe coming down into a yogi squat. Hello. Maybe doing a little kick. Hello. Whatever you gotta do, you're gonna feel silly. And that's part of it. This is a safe space of no judgment at all for you to just do what you want. Your time on your mat is you time. Don't restrict that. Let yourself express whatever you want, regardless of how you think you feel, because afterwards, I can guarantee you're gonna feel better. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and come down to a seated position. Coming into cross legs, or for whatever reason this is a little sensitive on the thighs, you can just extend the feet in front of you. Bringing hands to heart. Closing the eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. One more inhale and exhale through the mouth. Bringing both hands to knee, gently opening the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful, productive day, whatever you end up doing. I hope to see you soon. Namaste.